Good afternoon, YouTube friends. If you have missed our live stream about this onion chives here, during that time I was cleaning, weeding out here. Now I'll show you about the result. But actually, there are these another set of weeds and grasses as you can see in each pot. The next generation of seeds that started growing, and I have to weed that out maybe this coming Sunday or weekends. So we have five large pots here with onion chives. This one is pigweed plant and often misunderstood as spinach, but actually spinach in our dialect as Filipinos, that's alukbati, that's water spinach. This one is pigweed plant, so you have to search in Google, you have to look for um, the picture of a pigweed plant, and that's it, my YouTube friends. And here I have a poker tournament. It's a free roll tournament, like um, through 2 minutes from now, so that's why I cannot do the live streaming, but I'll try if I got busted. And here, YouTube friends, I will show you about our orchid. Actually, this orchid, YouTube friends, is like around 1,000 baht. Yeah, each. It's very expensive. And this and this, what happened to your turfan? Huh? That's why do not scratch on that large pots. Now I cannot help you. Try to solve that problem. Yeah. This hen, laying hen, is very naughty. One of the naughty. See? Yeah, try to rescue yourself from the twisting vine in your legs. These orchids, YouTube friends, it's around 11 years old. In my hand. I bought this one last 2012. Now it's 2000. Wait, 2012? Yeah, 10 years actually. Yeah, 10 years. And more than 10 years because I bought this one like around February 2012. So last February, this was 10 years. So this coming February next year will be 11 years old. And this orchid started to have this two sets of clusters of flowers. This one, it's already visible. This is purple white, and this one like pink white, and you will see that one. I'll give you the look. I'll show you the look once the flowers will start opening and blooming. And this afternoon, YouTube friends, I think I uploaded the video in my YouTube channel about an update of our Himalayan mulberry here, in which I still have a lot of words, but then it was not recorded already because I don't know. I thought my other phone was running out of memory, but actually I still have 4 gigabytes free remaining, and that phone usually still playing most of the time in the past. Like even there's 1 gigabyte left, but that morning I still have more than 4 gigabytes left in the phone's memory, and my filming was suddenly dies off. I don't know what's going on, but I still uploaded the uh, video in which I was not able to give you any concluding remarks there. So this time I'm going to upload this as well after filming, and then I'll look into my free roll tournament in poker if it's already running, and then I'll be back later and I'll do live streaming if we still have like if the environment, if it is still visible, if the plants and the activity that I'm doing is still visible. So I'll be live streaming later on. Okay, so uh, this is the current look. I'm planning to plant perhaps Himalayan mulberries here, and then this one I have to clean this out and replant the onion chives, remove this platform, put this one into an elevated one. I think I mentioned this one already for several times, but in case you missed the video, then you've got to hear it now. And I'll be do live streaming later on if it is still visible. So right inside there. So thank you for watching. So yeah, kind of struggle, really difficult because my wife it is still out there doing tutorial. I have to pick her up back home like 1 hour and a half later. So I have to do something here, like kind of preparation, gather the chicken eggs, and then refill the water in our deep well because we need to put or add water every single time we turn on, before we turn on our water to, I don't know, maybe the suction deep beneath is um, now it's like loosen and the pressure cannot hold the water anymore, so we have to add water. And yeah, so many things to do. I'd like to share what we have here, and though I'm already tired, so tired today, and I have scheduled for a video call in line with one of the student in Sianosun who is participating in a speech competition. So as a coach, I'm handling two students, both higher and lower. I don't know how to survive this one. It's not easy. I hate teaching work, but I'm stuck in here. But anyway, we can't do anything unless we have some golden opportunity in which it can eventually replace our work in the teaching field. Okay, see you once again later. Bye.